The secret to mastering English vocabulary.
Hi beautiful people, I am Aisha Rizwan. I am here to teach you easy tricks to learn English. Today we will learn outstanding words with the help of a short story. Watch till the end if you want to speak English like a pro. Let's start listen proper. Let's see how Maya learn English.
Maya had always been curious about how people seemed to speak so effortlessly, using words that sounded sophisticated and impressive. Determined to improve, she set herself a challenge to learn 5 new words every day. One evening, as she scrolled through her phone, she came across a video titled, "Unlock 5 Words to Instantly Improve Your Speech." She clicked, intrigued, and was immediately drawn into a fascinating journey. The first word was benevolent. The narrator explained, "It means being kind and generous. Instead of just saying someone is kind, say they are benevolent. It adds depth to your description." Next came exquisite. Maya had often said, beautiful, but now she could use exquisite to describe something extremely beautiful or elegantly crafted. She was already imagining using it to describe her favorite painting at the museum. The third word was elusive. She learned it meant something hard to catch or find. Instead of saying her dream was hard to achieve, she could say it was elusive. It sounded more poetic and intriguing. Then came meticulous, which meant showing great attention to detail. Maya always prided herself on her careful work, but now she could describe herself as meticulous in her efforts. It felt more precise, more professional. Finally, the word profound appeared on screen. It meant something with great meaning or depth. Maya thought of how she could now describe a life-changing book or an inspiring movie as profound, instead of simply saying it was deep or important. By the end of the video, Maya felt empowered. She had unlocked a whole new way of expressing herself.
Wow!
The video had not only taught her new words, but had also shown her how choosing the right words could make her sound more articulate and confident. She couldn't wait to use these words in her daily conversations. If you want to learn words like these and more, watch the full video and transform your everyday speech. Like, share, subscribe,